Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. Some more crochet fun for you. I made a bathroom rug and a carpet for in front of the potty. Just a quick little update here for you. I just threw these in the bathroom and I said, oh, I'll see if I can film them. Not the greatest filming, but you can see a little bit there. It's a little wrinkled because I pulled it away from the potty. But this kind of brightened up the bathroom during these dark days. I thought it might be kind of fun just to have something bright in here. But that's what you can do with some of your bright colors. Every once in a while, you can just brighten up a room and just make something to make it look nicer. And so here you go. These are just two of the things that I made. I'm going to be making a bunch of these. I like to have bathroom carpet things or rugs that I can just toss in the wash every few days or a week or whatever I feel I need to do. And there you go. Just another little project. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.